how to be a street blogger with AI. So today I'll be teaching you how to actually become a blogger or a street blogger with AI. Watch this.
My people, una see this road. Now wow. See as everywhere don't spoil. Poto full ground. Motor they suffer. We save they jump like frog. I beg government. Make una do something. Our leg and motor they cry. Now me
So
Wokobuchi,
you can
your
actually become
girl,
a
they
blogger
report live.
without showing your face, no camera, no good phones. Just with AI, you become a blogger or a street vlogger anytime you want to do. Now, my name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize social media platforms, how to work with AI. I review AI tools to you, and I teach you how to edit videos. So today, I'll be teaching you how to actually work with this AI tool that's going to help you generate everything from scratch, step by step. So I'll be teaching you how to get this avatar. I'll be teaching you how to get the script. I'll be teaching you how to turn the script into an audio and then again turn it into video for this image to be able to lip sync whatever you have in mind. Yes. So today I'll be teaching you how to actually create an AI blogger as an avatar. So if you want to learn how to do this, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. Let's go. Let me teach you how to actually create an AI blogger. Let me show you how to create this beautiful or being a beautiful blogger with AI and no cameras. Let's go into this.
Okay, so first and first, what we need to do is to get the blogger and her script or his script, okay? Which means your blogger can be a female or a male, depending on how you want your character to be, right? So I'll open ChatGPT. Please, again, I'll tell you, you can use ChatGPT for free to an extent, okay? And if you want to get more like everyday generation, you can actually pay for it. But yes, you get 4 generations each day, 4 generation of images, and you can ask them as many questions as you can for free. But if you want to be generating images, you can only generate 4 images a day. Okay, now what I need to do is, or what we need to do is, because I want to prompt with you guys, I don't want to copy and paste, then you now come and tell me, oh, I don't know what you did or how you did it. Now let's prompt together, okay? And we are prompting together. You can screenshot this and copy, or you can copy from the screen. Now what I'll do is I'll come here and I'll type where it says, please register on ChatGPT. If you're a newcomer, do your registration on ChatGPT. When you're done registering, then you type. Now here I'll ask ChatGPT, where they say ask ChatGPT anything. I'll now ask and I'll say, create me an image, create me an image of a female, okay, a female street blog, a female street vlogger, a female street blogger, a female street blogger, on the streets, because this is what we want, right? On the street of Nigeria. Now your choice. On the street of Cameroon, Ghana, anywhere you want. Jamaica, Trinidad, anywhere, please put the street of what you want. Okay, the street of Nigeria. Okay, now I'll say make character a dark skin female, which we already know, a dark skin female in 3D pixel style. Okay, this is what I want. If you want it in realistic style, make it in realistic style. If you want it 3D, just 3D, make it 3D, your choice. Okay, now I said 3D pixel style, okay, with long hair. Okay, long, I'll say long, long afro hair. Okay, so I did not dictate on what she wear. You can actually tell them what you want your avatar to wear, which is very important. Okay, a big baggy shirt and a big baggy trousers or anything. Okay, content mini mic. There you go. Okay, image, I'll put this and I'll say image in portrait style. Okay, portrait size. Now at the end I'll come and say, and give me a short script. Okay, Give me a short script of what she will say. What she will say. Okay, comma. Let it be about the Nigerian roads. Okay, the Nigerian bad roads. Guys, don't come for me. This is just me teaching you something. The Nigerian bad roads. Okay, now and make the script. Make the script in pidgin language. Okay, so make the script in the Nigerian pidgin language. Okay, now let's generate this and see. Before we generate this, let's read again what we actually write. I said, create me an image of a female street blogger, okay, on the street of Nigeria. Make character a dark-skinned female. Make character a dark-skinned female in 3D pixel style. Okay, I missed that out. 3D pixel style, comma, with long afro hair. With long afro hair, let her wear a big football shirt and shorts and holding a content mic. Image in portrait size. Give me a short script of what she will say. Let it be about the Nigerian bad road. Make this script in a Nigerian pidgin language. Okay? Nigerian pidgin English. So we say Nigerian pidgin English. Okay? Because we want to get accuracy. Now, if you're missing out this particular part in my content, no, you miss out everything. I'm not those people who just come and paste and run. So you get confused because when they paste and run, you not even know how to prompt for yourself. Me prompting with you like this, is to help you get ideas on how you can also prompt for yourself. Okay? You can read within the lines with me while I prompt and you perfect your own prompting as well. Or you copy exactly what I did. So yeah, like this, I'll click on generate and I'll wait for it to generate. Okay, now they give us our blogger. This is our blogger, right? We already have this blogger here. Now I'll click here and I'll click on save. I like the fact that they actually wore her the Nigerian flag jersey. Now we have the script. This is it. My people, when I see this road, now wow. See as everywhere don't spoil, poto full ground. Motor dey suffer, we sef dey waka dey jump like frog. Abeg, government, make una do something. Our leg and motor try dey cry. Okay, this is funny. But yeah, we got it right. Yeah? Like I'll tell you, I am the best. Now me go give una details. Okay, now when you're done doing this, I'll click on copy. I'll just copy this short one. Click on copy, you get it copied. Now once you copy this, the next two you'll be going into, you can use 11 Labs. I'll use the Minimax audio version. Okay, right now this is the Minimax audio version. You all know Hello AI, which is Minimax. They now have an audio version which I'll be using. Okay, you can use 11 Labs for your audio. You can actually record your audio yourself. It doesn't really matter. Now I'll come here and I'll paste that script that I copied from ChatGPT. This is it. When you get to Minimax, please try as much as possible to register because I am already registered. As you can see, I'm a registered member already. Now, when you register here, this is the interface they'll give you after registration. Now, when you're done doing that, you paste your script, which is this. This is my script. Now, all I need to do is to swap down where it says the Radiant Girl. I'll click on the, you can see up here, it says build an AI tutor. I don't want that. Now, they say speech 002. I don't want that. Here, it says the Radiant Girl. I'll just choose there to look for a voiceover that I would like. So I'll check now. They're giving the male, the female. So you choose yours, okay? Make sure if you're using a female, you get to choose a female voiceover. So let's see the Whisper Girl.
Today, let's relax.
Okay.
And heal.
We're doing things my way, and I don't have time for excuses.
Okay.
Hello. I'm delighted to assist you.
I'm not asking for the world, just a little effort.
So we have this one now. We'll let this one do the generation for us. I'll click on generate and I'll generate it. So we'll generate and wait for it to be done. Okay, I have it like that, and generates, and we wait. Okay, so we wait for it to generate our audio. Once the audio is done, I'll
My
still bring it to
people,
you guys.
on a Cetus road? Na wa-o. See is everywhere dawn spoil, poto poto full ground, motor day suffer, we sef
It's
day
the poro
waka day
poro
jump
for
like
me.
frog. A big government, make una do something our leg and motor tire day cry. Na me.
Okay, all right. Did you guys hear that? So it's the poro poro for me, anyways. So yeah, you can use your voice, or you can use an AI voice, the one that is fun for you. I usually like the AI voice because it is fun how like the white translator gets to talk about, like Oyobo people get to talk about, like talk pidgin, speak in pidgin. Okay, so now what I'll do is once I get my audio, I'll click on save here. Down here you can see where you save your image. When you're done generating, you click on save it, and then you save it to your phone. So I'll click that, and then I'll click on save. Okay, after we got our audio, the next tool we are going into is the Hedra AI. Hedra AI, this is how it looks like when you're done registration. You need to register here with your email, not your phone number, but your email. Now when you're done with registration, what you need to do is you come up here, you click on character. Once you click on character, they say upload image. You click on upload an image. Now it will ask you to choose photo. You click on photo library. I'll take my photo from the photo library. So I have blessing is here. Now we'll click on done. After clicking on done, the next thing we need to do is I'll click on here where you see the aspect ratio up there, the 16.9. I'll click on that 16.9, and then I'll turn it to 9.16 because I want to change the aspect ratio. The next thing is to add audio script. Now where you see the audio script, I'll click there, and I'll say upload audio. Click on upload audio. It will take me to my file. Now these are the audios that are already saved from the 11 labs. Okay, like I told you, you can use 11 labs, or you can use the mini max text to speech, or you use your original voice by recording your voice. So I'll choose on this street vlogger, which is a voice I already have, and it's in my file. Now I put this in. What I'll need to do now is I'll try to listen and make sure this voice sits well. Okay, my people, una see this road now. Wow, see as if okay, I will try to cut down the first silent moment, which was just silent, and I play again. My people, una see this road now. Wow, okay. See as everywhere don't spoil, poto poto full ground, motor dey suffer, we sef dey jump like frog. Abeg government, make una do something, our leg and motor dey cry. Now me, Wokobuchi, your girl, they report live. Okay, so let's say we have this, right? Now what I'll need to do is after we have this, I'll click on background remover voice noise. The background noise is removed. Then I'll click on add to video. Here, down here, you see add to video. I'll click on add to video. Now when you're done doing that, all you just need to do is you tell the prompt. You need to prompt down here, and the prompt I'll be prompting is very simple. Okay, just make the character lip sync the audio. Okay, now we have the character holding a mic on her right hand, which means her left hand will be free. Okay, so this is the right hand on the side that she's holding the mic, and the left hand is free. Now I'll just say make the character lip sync. This is very important. Make the character lip sync the audio. Okay, make the character lip sync the audio naturally. Okay, make the character lip sync the audio naturally, and make hand gestures with her left hand. Okay, left hand, mind you, because the right hand is holding the mic. Okay, with her left hand. Okay, that's it. Now we have make the character lip sync the audio naturally, and make hand gesture. So I'll take out the hands instead of hand. Okay, make hand gesture with her left hand only. Okay, because I don't want her moving around. So yeah, we have it like this. Now the next thing we need to do now is just to click on generate, and we generate this. Then we see the result. Okay, so let's go. Now we are waiting for this to generate. This image might take a few minutes to generate. If you've watched till now, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you, or the next AI kind of video you want me to show you step by step on how it is done, because of course I am your girl. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's see the results. My people, una see this road now. Wow, see as everywhere don't spoil, poto full ground, motor dey suffer.